Hey guys, welcome back to an Ulta holiday shop with me. I found this really cute lip gloss set from Fenty, and I also saw this set from Stila, and it had 3 different glitter and glows, and then there were a couple other Stila sets, like a lip one and a mascara one. This is Urban Decay All Nighter duo pack. Looked like a collab that they did. And then Anastasia had some nice sets. This was like a lip liner and lipstick one, and then this was cool because you got the brow freeze and a brow powder duo and a brush, and there's also like a few different color options to choose from, like taupe, soft brown, dark brown. So this could be a good way to try out some products, and I could also see these as little stocking stuffers. This is the deluxe brow kit, and you got 2 pencils and the clear brow gel. I love this mascara, the It Superhero. It is so good, you guys. Oh my goodness. Then it also had 2 different brush sets. One was like eye and one was for face. Their brushes are really nice. This is a cute set from Drunk Elephant called The Littles, and this is so fun because you get a ton of different minis of like their best-selling products, and I could definitely see someone loving this gift, and it's also just so cute, the packaging. Again, I don't know the price on that one, it did not say. Ulta came back out with their 5 for $5, which is cute if you have like a preteen or someone who's just getting into makeup. They have these little shimmer blush duos, these little eyeshadow quads. I don't know like how the quality is on these, but I'm sure it's like pretty decent. There was lip glosses, bath fizzers. Then there was like some little bath products. And you can see these are 5 for $5. The Ulta fragrance samplers were 50% off for Black Friday, so definitely snag these, you guys, because there's some really nice scents in here, and also you get a coupon to get $15 off one of the full-size fragrances at the store that's inside this package. I hope that made sense. And then they also had a male like cologne version as well. Okay, then I saw the Morphe palettes, like the large ones were 50% off, including the Jaclyn Hill one. They also had this little holiday brush set in a cute bag. And Ulta Beauty sets were buy one, get one 50% off. So they had like a lip gloss one. Then they had some candles, and I also saw this lip set. More candles, like these were Christmas holiday scented. This is Hemp's Peppermint Vanilla Swirl. This is their holiday scent, and they have also like a lip balm as well. And then their other scent is Fresh Snowberries and Vanilla Cream, and I'll show you more from them in a little bit. Then I saw some sets from the Body Shop. This one was Palms and Pixies, and then this one was only $13. The scent was Wild Pine. This is a set from Grande, and I thought this was a really cool way to try the brand because you got the lip balm, you got the brow growth serum, the liner serum as well, like for lashes. And then here's another set they had. This was $69, and you got to try the mascara and the brow and liner growth serum. And then Laura Mercier had some holiday sets as well. This was like one that had the translucent setting powders. That was $40. And then this one was like a little caviar eye stick trio. And then NARS also had some holiday launches as well. I thought the packaging was cute. This is a little set from IT Cosmetics with Confidence in It cream and the cleanser. And then there was also some sets from Truly. These were really cute. It was like a little luggage. You got a bunch of their famous products, like their body butters and scrubs and their acne patches in the heart shape. This one was like for the booty. Like it had their butt creams and stuff and serums. And I love their makeup bags. I actually have one of those. Here's another cute one. Best of Shave Minis. This is a nice set from Real Techniques called Fairy Vision. And in my head, I'm like, oh, I hope this comes to TJ Maxx, because I feel like all the sets from Real Techniques end up at TJ Maxx. So I usually just wait for it to come there. And then this was like a really cute little brush that they had with glitter in it. And then here's just like an overview and this cool little like tanning set that they had. They had some of the Wet n Wild and Peanuts collection for 30% off. Now, if you want the full collection, you have to go to Walmart. I didn't like that marshmallow lip mask, you guys. I tried it and it's really not that good. But there was one lipstick from this brand that's like a dupe for this line that's a dupe for a Kylie one. I think that one sold out. Then they had these really cute Truly acne patches, which are just so fun. Like, who doesn't love these? And these work really well actually if you have a white head, and they're cute at the same time. Those are actually on my niece's Christmas list. I was dying when I saw this, you guys. Pixie did a collab with Hello Kitty, and look, they did the glow tonic in Hello Kitty form, and I was like, oh my gosh, it is so cute. And then I saw this really big thing of Essence Lash Princess, and I was like, let me dive into this because I love that display. I really like these Touchland hand sanitizers. They're so pretty. I have used a couple of those. This is Buxom's holiday launch, and it actually looks so similar to last year's launch. Like, I was like, is this the same as last year? I love these little mini plumping lip glosses. This is a sponge set. So cute. And then this is just another display for Wet n Wild and the Peanuts holiday collection. And then I wanted to show you guys, they had like redid where everything was at this Ulta, and NYX like took up literally an entire aisle, and Revolution too, like 2 huge aisles. So I was like, oh my gosh, these 2 brands took over the store. And this was just like a new foundation I saw, IRL Filter. It has mixed reviews online. Some people said it didn't last long, so I always read reviews before buying anything. And then I went over to Essence, which is my favorite display, and I saw this and it had amazing reviews, so I picked that up to try. And I really like this so far. It's like a blueberry serum. You can also just use it as skincare. And then I also picked up this mascara. It is newer from Essence. You guys know I love the Essence mascaras. And they also had this little lash set, which was on sale. This was interesting. This is Skin Gym Wrinkle Mask, and I saw something similar at TJ Maxx. So it helps with like acne, wrinkles. So I thought that was cool. And then I saw the Tree Hut holiday display, all the sugar scrubs. They had frosted cranberry. They even had some like little set. So I thought this was a nice set for the Tropic Glow line. And there was also a bag, which I think is so nice. I love that they're including makeup bags because you can reuse them. And then they even had the candy cane shave oil, which I thought was so cute. These work really well for shaving. Here are some holiday sets from Real Techniques again. This is the Bright Finish set. I wish people would like stick to traditional colors for holiday stuff. Is that just me? Like, give me red and green, okay? Like, I want to know it's a holiday item. Give me sweater prints. But maybe people like to repurpose it, I guess, for like other stuff. I don't know if they like sell it at TJ Maxx. I'm just guessing, but I like traditional holiday packaging. Like the Eco Tools one. This is more holiday-esque. So I also saw this Creme Shop set, which was cute. Lots of Ariana Grande Cloud. That's also on my niece's Christmas list. This is Morphe Mist and Mingle. It's like a duo set. And then they also had a little section for Lisa Frank and Morphe, which is a really cute. So this has like some brushes in it, which I love this bag. Oh, so cute. They really are tugging on my nostalgia heartstrings here. So they also had this sponge set, which I was like, oh my gosh, it's so cute. I would have liked it even more if they had printed the characters on the sponges, kind of like how they did with the Care Bears collection with Wet n Wild. And then here's just the palette. And another little Morphe set I found. And then I saw just like this hair section. They had this banana sea salt spray. And I was like, ooh, I'm always like drawn to sea salt sprays. And then this overnight deep cleanser from Batiste. Kylie stuff was 40% off. Blush, bronzers, the highlighters. So I was just looking at a few of these. I don't have any like blushes or anything from Kylie. So looked like a lot of them were selling pretty quickly. This is one of the highlighters. And then I saw more sets. They actually have good molecule sets, and I really like this brand. They also had this like daily essentials kit with a few of their best sellers, like the Yerba eye gel, which I love that eye gel. It's so good. This is a cute makeup eraser set with Mickey and Minnie. It's a 7-day set with all different themed makeup removing cloths. And then they had this lash and brow peptide duo from The Ordinary. This is a Tony Moly masking set. Like, they were really crushing it, you guys, with the sets this year. This is Tony Moly Watermelon Collection. Tanologist Glow Giver Edit Kit. The Meredith Duxbury and Kiss collab. I just got these in PR and I'm super excited to use those. And then there's also a lot of like lash sets from Kiss. This is the Luxe Extensions. And then they even had some holiday lash kits. This one's from Ardell. Sorry guys, my voice is a little like raspy. This is another kit from Kiss. This is the Naked Vault, which I was like $42. Are you kidding me? Like, no ma'am. But then I saw it was also like on sale. There was a sign here I wanted to show you guys. So it was actually $25, which is much more reasonable. We also have this set from Kristen S with some of the fan faves is what it's called. And I thought this was really cute. I don't think I've ever tried anything from her yet, though, to be quite honest. This was a cute little holiday hair display from Squunchy. Love the furry hair clips. And here are all their holiday headbands. Very sparkly and pretty. And I also spotted some stuff from Kitsch, like this pillowcase set. And then they had this one, which was just the pillowcase. And like this little scrunchy ornament. Here's another scrunchie set. I don't know what brand this was. Maybe Scrunchy. This is a Hemp's holiday set. So these were like really cute because it had the peppermint vanilla swirl in it and then just like some of their regular scents. And I like the packaging. This is a set from another set from Hemp's. This is just like more classic scents. Here's another one. Didn't have any holiday scents, but holiday packaging. And this was my favorite, you guys. I picked this one up and it's amazing. You guys have to get it. It's sugar cookie dough and then raspberry cookie dough, little mini body butters. Oh my gosh, they smell so good. This is Slay Bases, I think it's called. And these are like their little bear bath things. I don't know what it is. And then here's like a little lip set. And then this is just the full size of the bear body. Here is some stuff from the Crumb Shop. You guys, I just love holiday sets. Like, I was so giddy filming this because I just loved seeing everything. Like, there's no other time like it. Here's a Lip Smacker set. Love those. Here is another one. Then we have this little Clean at Zero cleansing balm ornament. This is a little like holiday set. Peach Slices Berry Merry lip balm set. And then this is some like little K-Beauty products from Peach Slices. This is a Tony Moly Jelly lip mask. And this was a Ulta themed face mask set. And then some EOS like lip stocking stuffers. Okay, then I saw they actually had some holiday kits for Olaplex. So I thought this was really cool. It had number 3, number 4, and number 5. And then this one was number 3 and number 6. And then this is like a newer product from Olaplex. It's the I can't talk, you guys. Clarifying shampoo. And then this is more like onto the high-end side. I want to look at those sets. This is First Aid Beauty. And then here's a smaller one. But I'm telling you guys, you can find First Aid Beauty at TJ Maxx. But the sets are cute. This is a Festive Frosty set for $20. This is a Clarins starter kit. Kiehl's set. Peach and Lily Oily Skin Essentials. Josie Maran. Mario Badescu. We have a little fresh kit. Kylie Skin. This is a 3-step mini set. And then she had a second kit with like a serum and a moisturizer. This is Origin's little mini set. This is the Gift of Glowing Skin for $30. Mario Badescu, if you guys want to see tons of Mario Badescu kits, go to my previous TJ Maxx video because I found so much stuff. So I would like not buy those Mario Badescu kits full price. And here are some Philosophy body washes. This is a 3-step Greek glow kit for $25. This is another Josie Maran kit, Smooth Like Butter. Peach and Lily set. This is the Glass Skin kit. This is Peter Thomas Roth Acne Essentials. Here is a set from Live Tinted. Here is a set from Sunday Riley with Good Genes and CEO. This is a Unseen Screen Duo Pack from, what is that brand? Supergoop. Here's a Good Genes set from Sunday Riley. And then I stumbled on the Too Faced stuff and I thought this was so cute. This Pillow Bomb Pop had chocolate, vanilla, strawberry, Christmas bake shop. So cute that it was like a little lollipop. They had this Plumped in Paris set and then a couple of the little mini ornaments. Too Faced is always like iconic for their holiday launches. And then I also noticed that Tarte had some nice little sets for Shape Tape for the holidays. And that one even had a mascara in it. The Man Eater mascara. Here is another set. It had Shape Tape and the glow one as well. And then here is a eyeshadow kit from Tarte. And it had like 2 palettes in it. And then this is the Christmas Bake Shop palette set. It had 3 palettes from Too Faced and each of them smelled like gingerbreads and Christmas cookies. And then here's just what like the display looked like. And then Benefit also had some really cute holiday sets. I liked these little tins and these were really affordable. Like this one was $15. Here is a really nice set with the brow stuff. I really enjoyed their kits because they're affordable. And this is the Cheek Party package. And this actually included one of their newer blush shades called Shelly. And I really like that shade. They had just released all those new box blush singles. Here is another one. This one's $40. You get Hoola, They're Real, Professional, like classic Benefit. And then I saw this one and it was Letters to Lashes. So you get They're Real, Bad Gal Bang, sorry. So happy Thanksgiving, guys. I'm so grateful for you. Happy shopping and I hope you guys have an amazing holiday.